For today's dinner, I will be using these bean sprouts. I prepped them earlier today. We love bean sprouts, but I just get so lazy prepping them. But I finally did it today. So I will be making some bean sprout soup, which is very simple. And I also have some meat, so I think I'm gonna just do like a sweet and spicy stir fry with this. So yeah, let's get cooking. Take it more seriously here. Like a pretty popular brand in Korea nowadays.
Is it no brand or number brand? No brand.
I have no idea. I heard that one's good.
It smells like a fart.
Is it because it's cheesy?
Ooh!
They sound very soft.
That's not bad.
You pretty good?
No, not bad. It's kind of sweet.
Oh.
Oh, the wash?
Uh-huh. 맛있겠다.
What is this?
I think that was original.
No, what's this?
Sweet potato?
Mmm. Oh.
Chimik today.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not warm, but I'm not like, I'm not dying.
How pretty though, huh? I got snow in my eyeball.
You even see the snow when you're digging this hole?
Barely. Kinda.
Damn, it's cold though. It's the wind right now. This
I
wind is
know.
picking up.
It's snowing right now. And it's Monday, so there's not a lot of people out.
Yeah.
It's cold though.
It's not warm. This is one time where I enjoy wearing a mask.
It actually helps.
Oh, it's probably something I should have done in the cold to begin with. What's the size that's smaller than the flat white?
Be that one. So you got small, medium, or large.
God, is there one smaller than that one too, or is there one?
That's the smallest that we do normally.
Okay. Is
Unless
there
you
one?
go for like an espresso or something. So.
Got it. I'll do a small decaf flat white.
Small, decaf,
Oh, with oat milk. Sorry.
no worries.
Thank you. It's good. It's the only move I got. Someone's gonna need some boomerang. It's not a boomerang, I've been doing this every